we present to your attention a new version of the spectrum analyzer with a built-in tracking generator and demodulator Arinst SSA TG R3. Main advantages: frequency range, scanning speed and software demodulator. Power button, status LED, charging LED, USB port, external power supply input. Analyzer input, headphone jack, tracking generator output. The main screen of the device. The parameter string includes the scan start frequency, resolution, scan speed, scan mode, scan end frequency, pause button, exit button to the main menu. For ease of management, the ability to quickly change the scale and offset the frequency scale and amplitude scale has been added. The device is characterized by a high scanning speed. Let's take this as an example of real Wi-Fi signals in the 2.4 GHz band. The maximum speed is 20 GHz per second. Let's consider different display options. Trace max mode. The red line on the graph shows the maximum signal level. Waterfall mode. Regions of frequency bands. Each frequency range is fully configurable. The start frequency, stop frequency, its name and color. The device supports up to 4 independent markers. Marker operation modes. Point mode. To add a marker, hold down the point of interest on the graph. The ability to drag markers has been added. Peak search mode. Delta marker mode. The first marker is a reference marker. The rest are delta markers and show an offset relative to the reference. The difference between the delta peak mode and the delta marker mode is the automatic search for maxima. To remove the marker, hold it down. Software demodulator FM and AM. To switch to the demodulation mode, you need to set the marker to the signal of interest, then call the auxiliary menu. The upper graph is the if spectrum, the lower is the audio spectrum. For precise adjustment, drag the frequency scale on the if graph. The amplitude axis is also scaled and dragged. The demodulator control panel allows you to select the type of demodulation, the demodulation band, as well as adjust the volume and set the level of the threshold noise suppressor. Working with the generator in fixed frequency mode. Working with the generator in tracking mode to measure the transmission coefficient. Connect the generator output and the analyzer input with a jumper and calibrate. After calibration, connect the device under test instead of the jumper. The scan menu sets the frequency range of the scan, as well as its settings, frequency, resolution, and mode. The view menu sets the range as well as the upper display level, enabling and configuring trails. Turning on/off the waterfall. Enabling and configuring frequency band regions. Markers menu. Tracking generator menu. Device menu. Presets menu. Thank you for your attention.